Hello friends, today we are going to unbox this Lenovo lens for iPhone, Pixel and Samsung Galaxy Mobile, Samsung Mobile. So it is compatible to all the mobiles which we know, and I am going to unbox it. So let's start. So this is the box which I received from Amazon and it is $39. So before that, please like, share. Link is given for this product as well as subscribe button is there. So just click on subscribe and like so that you can get new videos. Okay. So in the box it is mentioned like Lenovo Pro Lens Kit Glow Clip Light. So what is the benefit of buying this product is that you are getting a wide angle lens, you are getting a macro lens, as well as if you want to illuminate such object which is when light is not proper, then you can use this glow clip LED light. That's why I chose this. Let's see. So if you see, box is really nice. This is the lens, you see. So this is the lens, true view, super wide angle and macro lens, both are inside, and this is the cover, this is the lens cover. So whenever you are not using, we can close this. Okay, let's take it out. Important, watch video inside before using Lenovo product. So there is a USB drive, unfold USB key and use it, so that this is the video where you can watch and see that how to use this product. Okay, and now we see that there is a very cute and very nice box is there, so we can take our lens easily if we want to carry with our luggage if we are going for a trip. Okay, so this is a very nice box we see here. So in the box, so this is a USB cable. Okay, and so this is the cloth to clean the lens. So this is the clip which we need to attach on the mobile. And this is the like this. So we will not miss our lens. All in all, it's a good combination of all the products, and this is the extra thing which we get in this pack. So that is illumination light. So so here also you see there is a clip, so we can attach in our mobile, and on a click it gets illuminated. So whenever we need we are taking any macro photos or any photo where you are not getting proper brightness, so then we can use this. And on click, so if you see, first it is very bright, on the second click is low, then it's very low. So you can adjust the illumination which you want for your photographs. Okay. Here now we have one booklet to use, like what are the details and how to use this. So you will be having a booklet, and there is a, if you need any help, then this is the number, and support at lenovopro.com. So there you can contact and take the, and for video tutorial you can watch this Lenovo Pro Welcome 001. Okay, these are the items which are present, and let's take a closer view. So you will get a USB cable, a cloth to clean, a USB drive to see that how to use this one. Okay, so yeah, so there is instruction like you press hold and like you take the USB key. I'll show you this one as well. Unfold the USB key from the card, press hold. So this is what it is. This is how it will come. So you need to press it right. You need to put pressure down. Then there is a USB drive. If you see, this is also a good thing. We can plug it in the laptop and see that. Okay, so this is the one, and after that illumination light. This is the holder where you will fit the lens, and here we have a lens or macro lens. So on this only we need to attach. So remove the back panel. So this is the wide angle lens, and this one is the macro lens. If you see the description, this is a macro lens 15x, and if you'll attach this, now it's a wide angle lens. This is how it will be attached. Then you need to put your phone camera here and use that. So I will give the review about the photograph.
So if you want to see the photographs how it gone clicked, you can go on Veda _ fly to sky
On Instagram. So it's Veda _ fly to sky, VEDHA _ FLYTOSKY.
Yeah.
So this is our Instagram page, and we'll post a new video as well, so that please like and subscribe our channel to get the new videos and updates regarding the new products. Thank you. Enjoy. Stay safe.